The world is continuously going on third world war. Actually, Iran and Israel conflict, there have a new country added, that was USA, the world most powerful country. Actually, USA spoke to the Iranian chief, the Ayatollah Khamenei, to be surrendered, but actually he was not surrendered. In this context, USA hit directly. Actually, Iran and Israel, they have for a long time to be conflict and hit out one another, retaliate hit continuously going on. But they are why USA added in this conflict, or why USA have added in this war. So that's Arabing conflict. Actually, there have a information, veil information, that is Iran want to nuclear attack to Israel. In this context, 3 nuclear power center was being attacked and demolished to be debris by the USA. That was Fordo, Natoj and Esfahani. So 3 Iranian nuclear power center to be totally demolished, totally decimated by the USA air strike. Actually, USA, there have another speculation in social media that USA use the Indian airspace, but totally wrong, because Indian authority, Indian government, they totally deny the use of Indian airbase. They totally anticipated that any airbase not being used by the USA government. That's Arabing happened. Today also Iranian Prime Minister, Iranian President called to the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi to be stopped to the war as a intermediate. Prime Minister Modi give him a assure that I try hard and soul, because continuously American airstrike and continuously American penetrate to the hit out Iranian nuclear center as well as Iranian military base also. Totally Iran totally destroyed as his military power and technology power. Here happened another thing, that Iran, they are to start their ban to the way of where Middle East, the container loaded with oil to go to the Asia, that's are being banned by the Iran. So India must have affected, because India some oil are being imported by the India from Iran, as well as the highest affected country will be China, because the highest amount, gigantic number of figure of oil was being import from Iran to China, because Iran and China both are very friendship border, both are closely relationship. So in this context, the highly affected country would be the China, according to the oil import. So that's are being happened today.